That's cool. Another thing we need to do is to actually to be able to update data. I'm going to be using put. You know, where I told you that put, what put does for is that it updates the entire resources in the applications. I guess now that's what put does for us. Then patch, that one just updates a specific data. So let's look at put. So put is going to be what called app.put. I want to have this like this. Then I will have put. No, not put, sorry. So I'm going to have put first, app.put first. Now put what put does is that it handle all the logic. So I'm gonna work, pick, and have less. So down. Then we can have what's called a sync. So then before we do the logic, let's just add this to this list. Then let's have our logic. What our logic want to do is that we are going to actually take the ID from the user, which means we are not stopping here. We're not just supposed to the product also. Now don't forget that when you have a different request, you have a different endpoint. Different requests is different endpoints. You even though there's some applications that allow you to have write of logic in the same endpoint and just switch it based on the request that it is made to you. But this is not allowed in Flint Dart. Flint Dart, you have a different request is different endpoints. So you need to create your endpoint the way by creating like this. So we have a product that is then forward slash then the ID, dollar sign ID, not dollar sign colon and ID. The first thing we need to get is to get the ID, which is data data on the sorry final id is equal to reg if we are wait dot id dot param sorry params, then we have this, then we have our id in it. We should pass it now, but we are not going to really do all this logic thing. We're going to be doing parts when we get to validation or another thing. So when we want to like rebrand our code again. So what we need to do basically is to just have our list, which is a list. So dot where. So where do you have okay, let's say the data or pro dot where product is actually product is actually ID. According to the ID is equal to the ID. But the issue that this one is a string, this one is a integer, the data is an integer, but this is dot pass, and I put the ID there. So then what I have to do is to just say dollar sign ID. Then I'm going to say dot what's called first. So I'm sure I have a specific data, which is going to be final data is equal to that. Now, or we don't even need data, we need the index of. So, so this is what we need. We need the index where. So the first one, the first one for me where ID is all of this ID. But then the next thing I want to do is that I want to replace it with the new data that I'm getting. So I'm going to also say that final body, so the body what user sent to us now, body is equal to await dot rec dot json. So then I'm going to say that I'm updating. I'm going to say list according to the index, you see data is equal to what's the new data into the new body, which is body. So I might just need to assign a new body. I say body that is according to ID. ID is equal to the ID. Print dot pass into the $sign ID. So when we have this, I'm just going to say it's also this. And what next is to respond back to the user. Res dot just say true. I'll send data like this. So it's going to be body. Let's see. Updated successfully. And then I also so just attempt it. So we now let's just copy this create and duplicate it. I want to change the name to update. Click update. So then we have this iPhone 20. So let's see. So we try to get now anytime you start your server, I want to like everything go to restart from the beginning. Now I want to update this number 2, which is if you look at the number 2 here is iPhone 9. I'm going to update it to iPhone 92. Look at the price is $1,000. Let's update it to $150. 1,005 not found. And let's see, we have not found. Why have we not found? Let's come back to our application. We have forward slash this put. Now, we have not found is because what we are sending is not patch, it is put. I told you that the put is going to be put, not post. Let's send it again. Yeah, can you see it's updated successfully? Let's see our code. Let's try to get it and see it's going to be. Yeah, it's updated. Oh, yeah, it's not updated. This is okay. It's 2. Yes, it's updated. I my mind is in. Yes, it's 2. It's 90. I have 9 that is there before. It's updated successfully. And let me just try to check it again. Okay, iPhone 100. That's not. That might exist. Let's see. So you can see. So it updates all the server state. That's what post does for us.